Cryptocurrency has recently taken the world by storm, and with the Bitcoin ETF approval and the rumored Ethereum ETF on the horizon, I believe now it may be a good time to look at additional altcoin cryptocurrencies for this upcoming bull run. And in today's video, we will be taking a sponsored look into Crypto.com and my top 5 reasons why I'm bullish for this next upcoming bull run. So if you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach. Let's get started. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. So make sure to smash up the like button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every single day when I come out with a new video. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please know that everything that I say is not financial advice, and these videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. In full disclosure, we do own some of the cryptocurrencies that I will be speaking about in today's video. And if this video gets 5,000 likes within the first 24 hours, we will do a very special giveaway for our YouTube community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. All right, so in the rest of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 reasons why I am bullish on cryptocurrency, especially Crypto.com. Now, I've been an ambassador with Crypto.com for the last 2 years, and I'm going to share with you in this video some of the things that have really stood out. Also, there's been some really big breaking news that I think is really something that I have not seen a lot of other altcoin and altcoin projects talking about and actually implementing and doing. So let's talk about my very first reason, and that is because of all of Crypto.com's partnerships. And recently, Crypto.com paired up with Latin America's biggest investment bank in stablecoin push. Now, Crypto.com will promote the BTG DOL stablecoin by pairing it with digital assets like Bitcoin and Ether on its trading platform. On February 27th of 2024, Crypto.com announced that it will list BTG Practical's BTG DOL, which is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio. The crypto exchange highlighted in this announcement that the new collaboration would involve promoting the use of new stable coins by pairing them with other popular cryptocurrency assets. But Crypto.com also has many other notable partnerships across various industries, and these partnerships aim to expand the utility and accessibility of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Here are some of those prominent partnerships. First, they have sports partnerships. Crypto.com has had several partnerships with major sports entities, including Formula 1 and UFC. These partnerships are often involved with sponsorship deals and collaborations to promote crypto adoption within the sports industries. They also have payment processing partnerships. Crypto.com had formed partnerships with payment processing companies to facilitate the use of cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions. These partnerships aim to integrate crypto payment options to existing payment infrastructure, allowing those to spend their crypto assets at millions of merchants worldwide. Crypto.com has collaborated with blockchain projects and technology companies, and these partnerships have focused on the areas of blockchain interoperability, scaling solutions, as well as DeFi. And Crypto.com also has financial servicing partnerships, and they have partnered with traditional finance institutions to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Now, these partnerships have often involved institutions and provide crypto-related financial products and services to a broad audience. Now, they've also have some incredible marketing and sponsorship deals. Crypto.com is engaged in a variety of different marketing and sponsorship deals and visibility to promote crypto adoption. These partnerships include collaborations with influencers, celebrities, and other media outlets to reach new audiences and educate them all about cryptocurrencies. And I, being one of those ambassadors, have truly had an incredible time educating you through the years on Crypto.com. Now, one of the biggest things that drew me to Crypto.com personally was their Visa debit card. I absolutely love their Visa debit card. I use it all the time, still to this day, and I've been earning thousands of CRO tokens in rewards, which I believe are going to turn into massive rewards in the future. And speaking of rewards, number 2 is the rewards and the Rewards Plus program. Crypto.com offers a range of products and services designed to facilitate cryptocurrency adoption, and their new Crypto.com Rewards Plus is something I wanted to highlight today. Now, this is a loyalty program truly built for everyone and is being featured right now in the US. Right now, you can get up to 10% passive income on your stablecoin. You can also enjoy up to 0.5% rebates on every single trade, and you can also get up to 8% back in CRO when using the Crypto.com Visa card, and up to $200 in bonuses for every referral with no limits. So if you are interested and you haven't signed up yet, use my referral code down below and only click the link down below in the description. Just simply use my name, Joe Parys, no spaces, when you sign up, and you too can get $25 to even $200 back depending upon when you sign up and how far you go in their new loyalty program. So simply click the links down below in the description today, and thanks again for using my referral link. And again, in order to do this, just simply launch the app. It's one of the easiest apps in the world world, I believe, when it comes to cryptocurrency, and it's one that I personally have been using for many years. So my number 3 thing here about Crypto.com has to be all of their products. And speaking of their products, the Crypto.com app serves as a comprehensive platform for managing cryptocurrencies and accessing a variety of different financial services. Crypto.com's Visa card also offers users to be able to spend cryptocurrency at millions of different merchants worldwide. The card comes in different tiers, offering various benefits such as cashback rewards, airplane lounge access, as well as exclusive perks. Another one of their products, the Crypto Earn product, enables users to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings by depositing them into interest-bearing accounts. Users can earn interest on a variety of different cryptocurrencies with different interest rates depending upon the deposited asset and the chosen term. Now, they also have something called crypto credit. Crypto credit allows users to borrow fiat currency in return for holding collateral. This service provides users with access to liquidity without needing to sell their own crypto assets. Now, at the heart of Crypto.com is their exchange, and Crypto.com operates an exchange platform where users can trade a wide variety of different cryptocurrencies against various fiat currencies and stablecoins. The exchange offers features such as spot trading, margin trading, cryptocurrency staking, and much more. Now, they also have their very own DeFi wallet. Crypto.com provides a decentralized wallet that allows users to access decentralized finance applications and services directly from their mobile device. You also hold your own keys and you own your own crypto by using the DeFi wallet today. Crypto.com has ventured into the non-fungible token space, offering the platform for buying, selling, and trading, as well as minting different NFTs. The platform features curated collections, collected drops, as well as a gigantic marketplace for new NFTs and NFT enthusiasts. The number 4 has to be the team and everyone involved with Crypto.com. At the head of everything is Chris Marslick. He is the CEO and one of the co-founders of Crypto.com and serves as the CEO today. He has a background in e-commerce and technology startups, having previously co-founded and led several successful ventures before entering the cryptocurrency space. Rafael Mello is the COO and is listed as the Chief Operating Officer of Crypto.com. He also brings experience in operations and business development to the team with a focus in scaling and optimizing the company's operations. The team is also comprised of many other very experienced investors as well as many other business tycoons. Now, the 5th reason why I am absolutely bullish on Crypto.com has to be the Cronos chain as well as their continued growth. The Cronos chain and the Cronos network is designed to be a decentralized Ethereum virtual machine EVM compatible chain that aims to provide high quality throughput as well as low transaction fees. It is part of Crypto.com's broader ecosystem and is intended to support decentralized finance applications, non-fungible tokens like NFTs, as well as other blockchain-based services. Now, the Cronos network is built to complement Crypto.com's existing offerings and provide development within the platform for building decentralized dApps with interoperable features. Now, by leveraging the compatibilities with the Cronos network, developers can create innovative solutions while benefiting from the security and scaling and the underlying blockchain infrastructure. Now, it's important to note that the developments of the cryptocurrency space can occur rapidly, and there can be a lot of different factors and updates and changes related to Cronos as well as the other projects that are building on top. For more current information on Cronos and its associated developments, make sure to check out the official websites like Crypto.com as well as their official social medias on X for time-sensitive updates. Now, as a bonus here at the end of the video, I want to share with you right now that Crypto.com is trusted by over 80 million different users worldwide, and they are committed to regulatory compliance as well as being able for you to transfer different cryptocurrencies from all around the world. This is where you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, over 50 different cryptocurrencies, as well as hold them in their wallet. I also wanted to share with you right now at the time of this recording that cryptocurrencies are very volatile and they will fluctuate, but I believe Crypto.com could be your gateway entry into crypto, and your journey could certainly start here with their app and their seamless integration, and it's very easy for people to gain exposure to crypto. Simply click the links down below, download the app today, use my referral code, get some free CRO tokens, and again, I encourage you to do this because it's absolutely free. It is a referral link. But again, you might as well get some free crypto, and who knows what this could turn into in the future. We've seen the prices of cryptocurrency be very, very volatile towards the upside and the downside, so it is important now to take action. Thanks again for watching this video. For more in the future, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and we'll see you very soon.